Today we've got a challenging version of a simple problem. If points 2b, 3, b plus 3, negative 2, and b, comma 7 are all on the same line, what is the value of b? So I've coded our x value here in red and our y value here in blue. And we're going to leverage the fact that all three of these points are on the same line. What is always true about points on the same line? They have the same slope. So we're going to take these points, put them into our slope formula, and see what we can see. Our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But because we're dealing with 3 points here, we're going to need to use all 3 points to get our answer. We're going to have to expand on our formula just a little bit to include a y3 and an x3. While the basic formula or the basic structure of our slope formula hasn't changed, because we have 3 points, we have to take that into account. So what I've done here is I've found the slope between 2 points, or I've set it up so we can find the slope between 2 points, 2 of these points, and I've set that equal to the slope between the other point and one of the 2 points that we chose here. And then by showing that these two are equal, we should be able to solve for b. Just taking our points in order, we'll let this one be x1, y1, and we'll substitute in x1 and y1 appropriately or accordingly. So y1 is 3, so I'll replace y1 with 3, and x1 is 2b, so I've replaced x1 with 2b. And now I'll do the same for x2 and y2 and x3 and y3 to fill out the rest of our formula. x2, y2 plugged in here, and x3, y3 substituted in here. Now all we have to do is simplify and solve. Numerators, denominators, cross multiply, and simplify for a final value of b equals 4/3. So in this sort of problem, it isn't necessarily the algebra that's so challenging, it's the initial setup. Understanding how to take the information that you've got, put it into a strategy or a technique that you know and are familiar with, and then work your way to the end of the problem within about 60 seconds. If you'd like to see more instructional videos, follow my page. And if you need a private tutor, in person or over Zoom, send me a message. My name is Paul Garrison, and I am the Tattoo Tutor.